Before I start this video, I want to say big thanks to all the guys who are becoming my YouTube channel members. It helps a lot and I really appreciate that. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your iPhone in any of Mac, Windows PC or any of external drives through a Mac or PC. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer, even if you want to transfer a clip or if you want to transfer fully all of your data in your PC or in external drives. So let's just jump into that. So in my case, I'm having iPhone 15 and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Thunderbolt 3 cable. You can use a Thunderbolt 4 as well to transfer your data. Don't take any normal USB-C cables because they are only to transfer the power from this to that, but not the data. Now the tool which we use to transfer the data from our iPhones or our Android systems to a Mac or a Windows is called 3uTools, and it is used by professionals most of the time, but it's the most straightforward option which anyone can understand. So I will put the link in description, which you can go on in the description, click on this and download it. But for now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here and open in my Mac because I have it downloaded already and it's installed. So I will say 3uTools and I will click on this and it will open. Once it opens, as I have connected my iPhone with this, it will say connecting device, and if it's not, I will remove my cable and you'll see what happens. There you go, it went away. And now if I plug it again, it will start connecting to the device. So it will take like a minute to assess your iPhone and then it will be able to connect if you have a good cable. If you don't have a good cable, it might take 5 minutes or more than that. Now you can see it have all my iPhone details and it's still loading some of the things. I'm gonna go to my photos and I have a video which is very heavy to do the airdrop to the Mac, and I wanted to save it like this, and in that way I can show you how you can back up your stuff. So in case you wanna back up your apps, you can come here and do that, and if you, in case you wanna do photos and videos, you can come on your camera roll and do that. And you can see I have all my pictures and folders and everything. So I want to save a screen recording. I did a video today which is like 37 minutes of screen recording on my phone. So I will click on this and I will select this. Now if I keep clicking on all of these, you can see it's selecting one by one, and I can press command or control on your Windows and you can select like this, or you can say all, and now it's selected all. You can see here. So if I do this, it will select all of these. So you can select one by one. You can deselect any of these as well. So if I come here and I say command and deselect, so all others are selected, this is deselected. So what I will do is I just need to save this 37 minutes video, which is almost 5.5 giga, and you will see how fast it does it. So I will click on this and then you can see here it's saying export. So I'm gonna click on export, and then it will ask me for the path. So I have my external drive attached to my Mac and I'm doing a video on monitor and control app for Sony cameras. So I will come here and this is where I need to save it, and I will create a new folder saying screen recording, and I'll create it and now I'll say open. You will see how fast it does. It's 5.5 giga. I'll show you guys the file as well. There you go, it's done. Now it's saying open folder. I'll open the folder. There it is. And you can see it's 5.4 giga. It did it in less than a minute, almost 20 to 30 seconds it did that. So if you do 5 giga in this, in 1 minute you can do 10 gigabytes. And then let's imagine you are having a 512 GB camera phone and it's full 512 GB. It will take 50 minutes to do that. So in 50 minutes, you can back up a full iPhone. And if you do that through iTunes or anything else, it will take much more time. So this is the most reliable way to back up your iPhone in a drive. And this way you can really be sure that everything is backed up.